And now it is time for an exceptionally rare and important Yenko Camaro, Bill, the 1969 Prototype pilot test car.
Yeah, there can only be one of the first of anything. This is the first Yenko Camaro in '69, the Prototype pilot test car. Still has the L72 427 and one of only 10 Yenkos finished in this Olympic gold. And of the 10, this is one of 2 with the white graphics and the only one documented as having been optioned with Atlas wheels by the dealership. Ed Hedrick, a great drag racer, raced in this car. Ed was the real deal, boy. He raced several different classes, even raced a Dragon Snake Cobra for a while. And look at that, 1.4, Scott.
Reserve is off. I tell you what, each and every one of these cars have just blasted past that reserve and done it very quickly. $1.6 million now.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
go ahead.
There's a couple badges on here that are not in the same place as the rest of these 69s. Up here on the front fender, you can see the Yenko badge is actually above the Camaro badge, which is opposite of the rest of them in 69. And then the 427 badge right here is behind the turn signal. That moved up to the cowl for the rest of the 69 Yenkos.
1,700,000, all right. Now 1,700,000 to you, Chris. 1,700,000. I've got 1,650,000. 1,700,000. 1,650,000. 1,700,000. Chris, find a call if you want it. 1,700,000. All right, even a million, 6.5 bid. 1,700,000. So 1,650,000.
Oh man, it goes to the gentleman there in the ball cap at $1.65 million.
1969 Camaro Baldwin motion with a 4-speed. How much here? 1 million.